Welcome to Lyra Tech, where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets. Today, we are looking at the Veise VE012W-B Wi-Fi Fingerprint Smart Lock, a feature-packed solution for your front door. This smart lock promises convenience and security without needing an extra hub. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's first examine the core features and security aspects that make the Veise smart. Connectivity and integration are strong here, with built-in Wi-Fi removing the need for a hub and full compatibility with Alexa. The entry versatility is truly impressive, providing 7 different ways to unlock your door, including a rapid zero. When it comes to security and durability, the lock is BHMA/ANSI Grade 3 certified, features IP55 weatherproofing, and uses ES128. The spec completeness is good, with clear details on most features, though specific battery life expectations beyond doubles the battery. Overall, the Veise Smart Lock truly shines with its core features, offering an impressive array. Next, we will explore the practical aspects of living with the Veise Smart Lock. Installation ease is a definite plus, with the lock designed for a straightforward 15-minute setup using just a screwdriver fitting. Battery management receives a good score, as it operates on 8 AA batteries and provides timely low battery alerts, though. The app control and customization are strong, allowing you to remotely manage access, view activity logs, and personalize settings like. Ownership and support are good, featuring a 2-year warranty when registered, along with accessible U.S. customer service via phone. In practical use, this lock promises easy installation and excellent app control, making daily operation smooth. The Veise VE012W-B Wi-Fi Fingerprint Smart Lock stands out as a strong contender in the smart home security market. It provides exceptional versatility with its numerous entry options and streamlines smart home integration by eliminating the need for a separate hub.